Hey, how's it going, everybody? Mr. Bradley here, and I would like to teach you guys today how to make a tin can drum. Let's get started. Here are the supplies we're gonna need. First thing we're gonna need is a tin can. Now, I got some Campbell's soup and then ate this and washed it out, so you guys can do the same. But be sure to be careful when you're washing it out because these edges can be very sharp, all right? Next thing we're gonna need, balloons. So what we're gonna do with these balloons, I'll show you in a second. We're gonna cut these in half, and then this is going to make the top of our drum or the head of it, alrighty? Here, I got some just crazy little rhinestones just to make it a little more fashionable, one could say. And also I have over here is some ribbon. I have some spare change over here. So let me show you what I'm gonna do with the spare change right now. In the little example one I've already made, this one is completely hollow. So that way it has a very particular sound. So I want this drum to sound a little bit different than this one over here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to take my soup can here, and I'm gonna fill it with some loose change that I have. That is set. So what we're going to do next is we are going to take a balloon here and we are going to cut it so where the neck is off. So maybe about 3/4 of the way or so. Alrighty, once we got that cut, we should be good to go. Now this has a little happy birthday on the outside, so I'm going to flip that inside out so we get a nice solid color here. There we go. And now what we're going to do next is, this might require a little bit of strength. We're going to stick all of our fingers in there and we're going to pull it apart like so. And we're just gonna let that go right over top of the can, just like so. There we go. And then next up, what we have to do is you can decorate it however you like. This one's a super easy instrument to make. So after that, look, I'm gonna put on a couple of these rhinestones here. Now we got the fancy rhinestones on there. Only thing left to do is to see how they sound. Alrighty, now that we have our drums good to go, the last thing we need are a couple pens for some drumsticks, and we can start jamming. Alrighty, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have fun.